Imagine this. It's 9:17 a.m. on a Monday, and your inbox is already a war zone. Your team is tagging you in Slack, customers are replying hello to emails you swore were automated, and a lead that should have booked last night just went cold. You're not behind because you're lazy. You're behind because the system is fragile. And when fragile systems fail, they don't fail politely. They fail loudly, publicly, and at the worst possible time. This is what most businesses don't understand about automation. It's not about saving time, it's about protecting momentum. Because when your response time breaks, your business doesn't just slow down, it starts bleeding trust. Customers don't care what tool you're using, they care that they reached out and heard nothing back. Silence isn't neutral. Silence is a signal that you're disorganized, overwhelmed, or unreliable. Let's get one thing straight. AI isn't just a new feature you plug into your workflow, it's infrastructure, it's decision architecture. It's the difference between a business that needs constant human supervision to stay alive and a business that can run even when the operator isn't holding everything together in their head. Most operators are exhausted, but not because they're doing too much work. They're exhausted because they're doing too much thinking. They're holding the exceptions, the edge cases, the weird customer situations, the follow up timing, the escalation decisions, the manual cleanup when automation doesn't behave the way it was promised. And the truth is, that mental load isn't a leadership badge, it's a systems failure. Here's what most people miss: automation isn't about removing humans, it's about removing human dependency. If your business requires a person to constantly monitor, fix, and rescue your automation, then you don't have automation. You have a fragile machine that breaks the second pressure shows up, and pressure always shows up. This is why tool obsession keeps companies stuck. They keep switching platforms, adding apps, buying upgrades, expecting the next feature to finally create stability. But stability doesn't come from features, it comes from structure. AI doesn't fix chaos, AI multiplies whatever you already have. If your workflows are unclear, your data is messy, and your communication rules are inconsistent, I won't save you. It'll just accelerate the mess. But when AI is integrated into the fabric of your operations, something different happens. You stop building workflows that only work when everything goes perfectly, and you start building systems that can survive when things go wrong, because the real power of AI isn't how it looks in a demo, it's how it behaves under pressure, when the unexpected happens, when a customer replies out of sequence, when a lead asks something weird, when an automation fails midstream, when your team is offline and the business still needs to respond. Think about a sales pipeline. When automation is working, it's smooth. Lead comes in, nurture kicks off, follow ups go out, appointments get booked. But when automation breaks, every single lead becomes a manual task. Suddenly the team isn't selling. They're triaging, they're copying and pasting, they're apologizing, they're reacting. The business starts depending on heroic effort instead of reliable infrastructure. Now picture an AI agent inside that same pipeline. It doesn't just send emails, it monitors the flow, it flags failures, it reroutes tasks, it recognizes high intent messages and escalates them instantly. It handles the predictable questions and frees your humans for the unpredictable ones. It doesn't just create efficiency, it creates continuity. And continuity is what keeps businesses alive when the operator isn't available to personally hold everything together. The hidden cost of bad systems isn't just lost time, it's mental load, decision fatigue, resentment. It's the constant feeling that you can't fully unplug because something might break. Over time, that becomes the culture, a business that runs on anxiety and interruption instead of clarity and leverage. So here's the real question: what breaks if you ignore this for another year? It won't just be your response times, it'll be your team's morale, your customer trust, your ability to scale without becoming the bottleneck. Because every hour of delay isn't just a missed message, it's a missed opportunity, and customers don't wait around forever. The call to action is simple: stop treating AI like a tool, start treating it like infrastructure. Don't ask, what can AI automate? Ask, where is human dependency still holding this business hostage? because the future belongs to operators who build systems that don't collapse when pressure hits. Not systems that look good on paper, but systems that hold up when everything gets messy. AI agents aren't the trend, they're the continuity layer, and the businesses that adopt them the right way won't just move,